Hey guys! Hello! How are you? Okay, let's talk about 1976 No Mint Mark Lincoln Penny. First, let's read what is written on the coin. Okay, in God we trust. Liberty 1976. At the back of the coin or the reverse of the coin. Okay, United States of America, E pluribus unum, 1 cent, FG, the designer's initial, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1976 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay? The record price for the most valuable 1976 Lincoln penny without a mint mark goes to a specimen that received a grade of MS68RD from Professional Coin Grading Service or PCGS. That particular piece took a whooping $7,931.25 in a 2014 auction. Wow, 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 wow. $7,931.25 for 1976 Lincoln penny without a mint mark, rated MS68RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Okay? Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Wow, $7,931.25. Okay? Bye for now.